Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DSS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotation are coming from. Whoops, and both these levels actually still do pertain to the chart. But what I'm going to do here, now that we have more data, is I'm going to make a little adjustment here, and I'm going to adjust this level of resistance up here to the 42 cent mark. And the key dynamic there is, well, what direction did that adjustment need to be made? And whenever levels of resistance need to be adjusted higher, that's always a step in the right direction. That's a sign of bullishness. Now, does that mean that this thing's getting ready to go up to 50 cents? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying having levels of resistance needing to be adjusted higher, much better than levels of resistance need to be adjusted lower. So in this situation, now that we have more data, just seems, at least in my opinion, to make more sense to focus more so on the 42 cent mark as being that core area of resistance, which again was higher than where it was on the video that I did on Wednesday. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to report, other than really confirmation would be an accurate term. Main point of confirmation came during this big pullback here. Things were actually looking pretty rough, but you can see the price got down right around the 30 cent mark at that green line. And then, to give credit where credit's due, very nice bounce back to the upside followed. Now, there's still a lot of work to be done, but overall, good to see 30 cents hold. And then taking a step back and looking just at everything rather than just looking at today isolated. From the grand scheme of it all, everything is perfectly fine. I mean, if you look at where the lows have been over the past few days, you can notice that these lows just keep getting higher and higher. Or if you want to envision those as stair steps, well, the stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, and that's really what matters the most. Is as long as the lows are getting higher and higher, then everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on building those stair steps, and just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.